This is the beginning of a campaign of ours to try to rebuild houses all through the occupied territories with really two messages. One is no to the occupation. All of us, Israelis, Palestinians, internationals, are all saying no. And the second message that's very strong is we refuse to be enemies. So we're going to go out today in two groups to build two houses. One is the house of a Palestinian fellow named Wael Muhammad Ali in the Shuafat refugee camp. It's a family whose house was demolished about a year ago. Is the only refugee camp in Jerusalem. On one side of the camp is the settlement of Piskat Ze'ev, right by the house, and on the other side is the French Hill neighborhood. So they're trying to connect the two neighborhoods, and the camp, the refugee camp, is right in the way.
My name is Nadav and I'm from Tel Aviv, Israel. I'm not happy and I'm not agreeing with things that are happening here. It's against my principles. It's not the way I want my country and my nation to be like. I don't want to destroy, to be part of a country or a nation that is putting people outside of their houses.
My name is Noah Nativ and I'm from Jerusalem. Western Jerusalem. I come over here and I see this refugee camp. This is the first time that I've been here, and it's amazing to see it. I mean, it's hard to believe that this is the way things are. Just 10 minutes driving from where I live, just across the hill over here, the life is completely different. Well, basically it's my way of protesting against the policy of house demolitions and expressing my solidarity with the people here.
The other house in Anaka, which is just a couple minutes away, is a house of Salim Shawamri and his family, his wife Arabia. Because of Salim, many Palestinian houses were not demolished, because Salim really stood very strong. So we're going to build for him.
Anywhere you look, you see a war going on. But to see Israeli and Palestinian together, building a home, taking blocks from here to there, sitting together, eating breakfast. Both of them are getting tired. They are sitting together behind the blocks, talking, and this is the life. This is the life. This is how it should be.